ये जरा इस वीडियो में हम डोपिंग प्रोसेस स्टडी करते हैं। डोप सेमीकंडक्टर्स क्या होते हैं? द प्रोसेस ऑफ एडिंग ए सुटेबल इम्प्योरिटी एटम्स इन प्योर सेमीकंडक्टर इज कॉल्ड डोपिंग। दैट इज वी हैव टू टेक द सुटेबल एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम द पीरियोडिक टेबल, दैट इज एल्यूमिनियम और phosphorus or antimony, and those atoms are added to the pure semiconductor to increase its conductivity. The process of doping is very controlled and deliberate. That is, the dopant atom is 1 in 10 to power 7 atoms of silicon or germanium. Let us come to N-type semiconductor. These blue atoms are those of, you can say, silicon, and the central atom is that of the phosphorus. All the silicon atoms are joined by covalent bonds, and the central atom has got 5 electrons. 4 are used for the covalent bonding, and 5th is left free in the crystal lattice. This electron which is free in the crystal lattice is said to be in localized energy level or just in conduction band. This phosphorus donates the electrons, so it is called the donor atom. You must remember that the number of electrons are increased by doping, but the number of holes remains same. The donor levels, they are created just below the conduction band. That is, the energy is reduced for the electrons to move from this डोनर लेवल टू कंडक्शन बैंड। देखिए इलेक्ट्रॉन वैलेंस बैंड वही रहते हैं, हमारे पास होल्स वही है और जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की संख्या बढ़ जाती है। दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज द एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर। So let us come to the p-type semiconductor. Now in case we take the central atom is replaced by the aluminum. Aluminum has 3 electrons in its outermost orbit, and it requires 1 electron from the other atoms. So in order to complete the octet or to complete this covalent bond, the electrons from the nearby covalent bond comes to this place. This is the hole, and this will be the position of the new hole, and hole is a seat of positive charge, or you can say it is the missing electron, and this impurity is called acceptor impurity from the third group of the periodic table because it accepts electrons from the nearby atom. यहाँ देख लीजिएगा आप, यहाँ पर ये होल्स की संख्या ज्यादा है, एंड दिस एक्सेप्टर लेवल जस्ट आर प्रोड्यूस जस्ट अबव द वैलेंस बैंड। यहाँ पर जो ये एनर्जी गैप है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक वैलेंस बैंड, कंडक्शन बैंड से और वैलेंस बैंड तक। सो यू मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट द एक्सेप्टर लेवल्स आर जस्ट प्रोड्यूस्ड just above the valence band. So the aluminum is called the acceptor atom. Electrons occupy energy level just above the valence band. Holes greatly outnumber electrons in valence band. Holes are majority charge carriers, and semiconductors so doped has majority of the holes and minority holes. Hole is called a missing electron or seat of positive charge. Thank you very much for watching.